Hello, Manya. How are you?
Hi Aditya, I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm absolutely great. It's so lovely to have you here.
It's my pleasure
Uh,
to be here. Thank you
go,
for having me.
yeah, yeah. Okay. So start करते हैं,
Sure, sure, sure.
Volume is very low. Can you all hear me? And Manya, very well.
I can hear you. Can you
I
hear
think
me?
he's. Yeah, I can hear you. I'm clear to you, right?
Yeah, totally.
Okay, cool, cool, cool. Okay, so guys, so हिंदी इंग्लिश में हम स्विच करते रहेंगे ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि
Obviously.
इंग्लिश प्रोग्राम है ऑब्वियसली एंड सो दिस इज द सेकेंड एपिसोड ऑफ अ सॉन्ग्स जर्नी यहाँ पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि हाउ सॉन्ग्स आर मेड और गानों के पीछे परफॉर्मेंस के पीछे सिंगिंग के पीछे एक्चुअली में लगता क्या क्या है ना जो एंड ऑब्वियसली मान्या नारंग हियर इज जस्ट अ लवली a brilliant singer. She was an Indian Idol 9 finalist and absolutely great, yeah. And
You.
she has done beautiful work in Umrao Jan, the musical. Yeah, really, for that, I need to clap
Thank
for
you
that.
very
Yeah,
much.
yeah,
Thank you.
yeah.
I'm
And
so
she's a
kind.
brilliant producer and a sound engineer as well. Okay. And so I'll start with one thing, you have also toured with Sonu Nigam sir, the legend. I have seen your performances and it's just surreal to just see you there with him. And what's the one thing you have learned from seeing him perform or just him as a person, as a musician, that you have incorporated in yourself?
Oh man, this is so difficult to describe.
Right, right.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's casual. Yeah, just go ahead. Yeah.
I'm so sorry for the. I had a
Right,
call
right.
in
Going.
between. So
Okay.
yeah, so he himself is a complete musician, you can say.
Right,
Uh,
right. Absolutely.
he's an amazing singer as we know him, and an amazing artist who knows what he wants.
Right.
Um, how to approach a song when he's singing, how um, he knows everything about music, and that's something that
Okay.
I think every artist needs to learn. That being a
Okay.
singer doesn't mean that you don't have any other knowledge of other fields
Right.
that are related to music. So that's
So, okay,
beautiful. That's
just
amazing about
being
it.
a full-fledged, musician, being involved in every part of making music, it's always beneficial, right?
Yeah, totally.
Cool, cool. Okay, so my second question to you is how important do you think it's related to the first question? How important do you think it is for new upcoming musicians and singers to learn skills other than just singing, like music production, sound engineering, and writing and all these things? What do you think? Does it help 10 years down the line, 20 years down the line as a musician?
It does make a lot of difference, Aditya, I think, because uh, like we know now that a lot of people are at home, a lot of
Right,
artists who don't have work, and a lot of singers who don't have work, but you see people who have at least a basic studio setup at home can
right,
are able to record themselves, make their own original songs, record them, produce, get them mixed and
right,
mastered, or maybe mix and master themselves and
right,
put it out. I think it's a great plus point for all those people who have at least a basic setup at home, who can
right.
make use of it somewhere or the other, and put out their music out. So put out
Right,
their
right.
music for the
Exactly.
people to listen.
Yeah, because one thing I feel, that if you have written a song, if you composed a song, I think, only you can do a proper justice with it if you know what you wanted production wise. Because, let's go to the next question. Do you think the production of a song can make or break a song?
Absolutely.
Right,
Like being, because there are so many elements that are connected while making a song.
right,
So
right, right,
it can be the lyrics and the singer, the composition, the production, the mixing, the mastering,
right,
even
right.
the recording part of it. I think every aspect of the process of making a song is very, very important.
Okay, cool,
Yeah,
cool, cool.
because any one thing, if you think can make a song or break a song, I think that's not
Right.
true. Because a lot of
Okay.
people I meet, they don't even have a clue about what is the job of a mixing engineer or a mastering
Exactly.
engineer,
Yeah.
because
It's
they
our
know
job
what
to,
a composer
let
is.
them
They
know.
know,
Right.
yeah, they
Right.
a
Yeah.
lot of people, they know what a composer is, what a music director does to a song,
Okay.
and who is a
So
singer.
just one question to you. What is a mix engineer? Yeah, just let's explain it to these guys. Yeah. So
Wow,
so that
this is
everybody knows. Yeah.
see, I think mixing, there is nothing that can be explained in itself, because every aspect of song making is so connected that I can't say
Right.
specifically that this is mixing and this is mastering and
Exactly.
this
Right.
is
Right.
recording, because I think mixing starts from the level where you are
Even from
recording the
sound
source.
selection, right, right. Exactly.
Yeah, I think mixing
Right.
starts way before that. Mixing starts
Okay.
before recording. How? Like, when you, when an instrument is made, it's made keeping in
Right.
mind the harmonics it'll produce, and how it'll
Exactly.
sound on in a specific environment. uh,
Right, right, right.
there's so much to learn, there's so much to explore as a mix engineer or as a musician, you can say. I think I can't
Yeah.
really generalize it.
Right.
But it's just, it's about having knowledge of all the aspects, all the fields of music. Only then can you
Right,
understand
right.
what you have to do as a singer or as a
Yeah.
composer or as a producer, because a lot of producers are so intelligent. They
Right.
produce according to how the song is going to be mixed by somebody else.
Oh
They
wow.
create a,
Okay. Cool.
yeah, they create a
Right.
basic mix, and it makes our job a lot more easier, because I've been doing a, a few projects abhi lately, and
Okay.
कुछ projects were like, अच्छा, producer has produced it, thinking कि mix engineer खुद कर लेगा जो करना है.
Okay.
But a few producers are doing really good work. I think उनका जो sense of
Right,
mixing
right.
ही है, they send you a premix which is as good as
Right, right, right,
a
right, right,
professional
right.
mix.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
that's
Cool,
how
cool.
things should be taken care of. But
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
unfortunately,
Exactly.
everybody doesn't.
और वाई वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, क्योंकि अभी आपको जो फॉलो करते हैं और कुछ मुझे भी जो फॉलो करते हैं, एवरीबडी एक फ्यूचर, एक म्यूजिशियन, एक सिंगर, एक अच्छा आर्टिस्ट, सबको बनने की कुछ ना कुछ तलब होती है कहीं ना कहीं, है ना. एंड अभी
बिल्कुल.
इंडिया में जो सीन है म्यूजिक का, आई थिंक इट्स रियली गोइंग टू चेंज ड्रास्टिकली in the upcoming 10 years, because everything is shifting towards independent, and everything is independent these days. Okay. So वही है कि what Manya was trying to say is कि अगर आपको एक अच्छा म्यूजिशियन बनना है, जिसको पता है कि उसकी साउंड क्या है, उसकी what does he want, what does she want from his or her song. So
Right.
उसके लिए हर एस्पेक्ट, जो कि साउंड इंजीनियरिंग हो सकती है, मिक्सिंग हो सकती है, मास्टरिंग हो सकती है, इट्स प्रोडक्शन, इट्स राइटिंग, यू मस्ट नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट एवरीथिंग.
At least some
थोड़ा
part,
बहुत, थोड़ा बहुत,
at least
थोड़ा
some
बहुत, एग्जैक्टली.
take
बिल्कुल,
अच्छा
कि आप कम से कम एक्सप्लेन कर पाए.
in
राइट.
all aspects, but you need
या.
to understand the job of the other person, because see, every process has three basic subcategories or subdivisions, you can say.
ओके.
The creative aspect of, I think, anything, be it music, be it filmmaking, be it anything.
राइट, राइट,
uh,
राइट, राइट.
you have a creative part of it, then you have a technical part of it, and then you have the business part of it, the business
राइट,
front, how to market things and how to sell them.
राइट, राइट.
So I think being creative is very important, of course it is, but being technically sound also helps a lot and does a lot of things for you and for the other
राइट,
people.
राइट, राइट.
You
राइट.
the musician, because if I talk about myself, I really think that अच्छा, पहले मैं सिर्फ गाती थी या सिर्फ मैं
या.
instruments play कर लेती थी, but now I can say that I have evolved as a musician, and
या.
I've learned a lot by mixing my own songs, mixing the songs of other people, because पहले होता है जिनको नई नॉलेज होती है वो अपने सॉन्ग्स भी बना के दे देते हैं,
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
तो के गाने में क्या कमी है. सो यू नीड टू
बिल्कुल.
अंडरस्टैंड कि अच्छा स्पेक्ट्रम भी कुछ होता है, एंड यू हैव टू हैव बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ
एग्जैक्टली.
what are frequencies, what is amplitude, what is wavelength, because
Right.
without these things I think you can never probably understand an EQ. So
Exactly.
everything
Exactly. And
everything connected.
in today's time, I think having a technical knowledge of making music is just as important as performing or just writing something, or I do feel that. Do you agree
Ab-
with that?
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
And I'd like to add to what you've said,
Right.
that a lot of people that I know
Yeah.
think that music ka field, music industry just involves
Right.
maybe
Right.
composing, or
Right.
involve singing, or maybe playing a certain instrument. But a
Right.
lot
Right.
of people don't know other aspects that you can get into, other fields that you can get into, um, even if you don't have that god gift wala talent, जैसे कि अगर आपके अच्छी
बिल्कुल
आवाज नहीं
बिल्कुल.
है, still get into the field of music by being a mix engineer, by being a
There's
mastering
10
engineer,
other things you can do. Yeah. Yeah.
being
Absolutely.
somebody who does acoustic treatments and soundproofing for your studios and home theaters. I think
That's a
uh,
serious business now. Yeah.
yeah, it's a complete industry involves
Exactly.
a lot of aspects, and creative
Right.
aspect obviously is there, but technical and the business front. So now, how to market a song, making a record label, for example, and
Okay.
launching the songs of the new artists or aspiring
Right.
artists
Right.
from
Right. Right.
channel or whatever. So or you can also go into this thing, electronics if you want. So making
Yeah.
audio,
Yeah. Yeah.
make
बिल्कुल.
audio cables.
Arranging, programming, and all that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
बिल्कुल.
yeah. So
Yeah.
there's so much. There's so much. I think
There's so
people
much. Exactly.
know.
ओके कूल सो आई थिंक यहाँ पे हम अपना फिलोसॉफिकल जो पार्ट है वो खत्म करेंगे. जस्ट एक
Okay,
चीज पूछनी थी आपसे आखिरी इस फिलोसॉफिकल वाला पार्ट में.
please.
व्हाट हैपेंस टू मी, जैसे मैं जब अपने ओरिजिनल्स लिखता हूँ तो द फर्स्ट अरेंजमेंट आई मेक इज नेवर द फाइनल अरेंजमेंट. आई ऑलवेज make it 5 times over, and the fifth one is okay, yeah, अब satisfaction मिल रही है जाके. तो how important is that, listening to your gut that something is right or something is wrong, or just accepting traditions, or just standards, like ये होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए. What do you think?
I think it can be a bit of both, because we should know what is trending and what
Right.
people like listening to. At the same time, you need to create your own footprint, you can say. Whenever
Right.
you make a song, it should not sound like somebody. It's good if it sounds like somebody, because then you know that acha, you're
Right.
going towards this direction. But try
Okay, cool.
to um, make the song your own in some
Okay,
way,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Finding
because
your own sounds somewhere. Yeah.
by finding your own sounds, your own style of production, programming, or um, doing whatever.
Exactly.
Yeah, and at the
Saga
same time I
says, yeah.
think if you
Okay.
say that वो arrangement वाली बात के एक एक बारी में फाइनल ना हो पाना, या फिफ्थ टाइम में अगर
Right.
आपको लगा कि हाँ ठीक है अब गाना अच्छा लग रहा है,
हाँ.
I think it happens with all producers out there, all of
Right, right,
them,
right.
all programmers,
Right.
कि अच्छा ये sound अच्छा नहीं लग रहा तो now we replace it with something else.
बिल्कुल
And
बिल्कुल.
uh, one thing that is absolutely important, जो कि मैं भी कोशिश करती हूँ फॉलो करने की,
Okay.
कि you should know where to go in terms of the final product,
Right.
basically how the
Right,
final
right, right.
product should sound like.
You should
And
have
you
a
should have
vision. You should have a concept of the song. Yeah.
yeah, you
Absolutely.
should have a concept in your mind, and try not to um, uh, go somewhere else. कि आपको अगर
Right.
लगा कि अच्छा you're following this thing and you have your own arrangement वाला thing कि अच्छा इतना intro होगा, इतना verse होगा, then you have your
Mm-hmm.
pre-chorus and then chorus or whatever,
Right,
how
right,
you arrange
right.
things basically. And
Okay.
वो आप उसको आप अगर if you want to swap it with something else, then you can do that,
Okay.
but just
Yeah,
be
absolutely.
clear about
Yeah,
what the
it's not
song
changing
will
the
sound
concept
like
of the song.
at
Exactly.
the end. Because
Right, right, right.
इसकी वजह से ना, इस प्रॉब्लम की वजह से I have plenty of projects that are sitting just on my system,
Yeah, cool. Yeah,
and they
yeah.
are
Happens to
incomplete
me too.
because
Yeah.
वो विजन नहीं था, या वो विजन इन्वॉल्व नहीं था. मैंने
Exactly.
गाना सुना, मुझे अच्छा लगा, मैंने कंपोज किया और मैं बस शुरू हो गया के प्रोडक्शन वाला प्रोसेस शुरू हो गया.
राइट राइट राइट.
बट ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. थिंक
Exactly.
अबाउट द सॉन्ग, think about how it should sound like, what instruments it will involve,
Okay.
what will be the feel of the song, क्या story रहेगी उसके पीछे. um,
वाह, सही बात.
everything
बहुत
goes hand in
बहुत
hand, I think.
गोल्डन इन्फॉर्मेशन सभी को मिली है जो भी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं या कुछ लर्न करना चाहते हैं, तो प्लीज फॉलो दीज. और किसी ने पूछा था कि पोस्ट कोविड इन सब प्रोफेशंस का क्या है, सो मैं बस उसको एंड करना चाहता हूँ कि जनरली आजकल सारी चीजें ऑनलाइन ही होती हैं, चाहे आप सेम सिटी में हो या ना हो. तो कोविड अब क्या परफॉर्मिंग वाले पार्ट में बस थोड़ी सी वो हो रही है, बट बाकी सारी चीजें तो चल ही रही हैं आई थिंक. सो ओके, ये फिलोसॉफिकल वाली चीज हम खत्म करते हैं अब. नाउ प्लीज कैन यू परफॉर्म समथिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस?
Perform, okay.
Yeah, please.
um,
I'm a huge fan of your voice, you know that.
and I'm a fan of your work. I heard your composition, your own this thing.
Right.
It was lovely, it was fantastic, Aditya.
Thank you.
I
Thank
still
you so
remember
much.
it.
जानबूझकर, right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
अभी
true.
किसी ने, आई थिंक किसी ने
So,
कमेंट भी किया था नीचे, जानबूझकर was amazing. वो रिलीज हो
right.
गया या नहीं हुआ, I have no clue,
हो गया,
but I heard you sing live. अच्छा.
It released 2 weeks back. हाँ, हो गया.
Oh, wonderful. ठीक है.
Yeah.
Send me the link. I'll listen to it then.
बिल्कुल, 100%, 100%. Now please कुछ सुनाइए
Sure,
आप.
sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Forgive me if I don't
नहीं
sing
कोई
according to the
बात
expectations of.
नहीं. अरे नहीं.
Okay. रातां वे कालियां रातां अखियां लाइयां बरसातां माया हो रातां यादां तेरियां मैनू पौण घेरियां दस वे सोहणिया नजरां
वाह.
क्यों फेरियां प्यार मैं पाके तेरे नाल लाके रोग लिया मैं माया रातां
वाह,
वे
क्या बात है.
कालियां रातां अखियां लाइयां बरसातां माया हो रातां.
अरे बाप रे, बहुत ही ज्यादा.
थैंक यू. अरे यार,
सबको इतना पसंद आ रहा है, सब कमेंट्स में लिख रहे हैं. वेरी मेरे पास कोई शब्द नहीं है मान्या इसको
थैंक यू
डिस्क्राइब
वेरी
करने के
मच
लिए. बहुत.
आदित्य.
कैन यू
थैंक यू.
प्लीज जस्ट सिंग 2 more lines of something, just anything you like, just we cannot get enough of you, that's why.
Oh, that's so sweet of you, so kind.
Please.
Okay, I'll try to sing a few lines of my original song,
अरे
which got
वाह,
released
क्या
अभी
बात.
थोड़ा टाइम पहले ही. मैंने वो कहीं
अच्छा.
गाया नहीं है ऐसे लाइव, but
Yeah, exactly, I tried to find it, मुझे मिला नहीं कहीं पे. What's the name of it?
it's there on YouTube. Its name is इश्क तुम मेरे हो.
अच्छा, okay, cool, please.
हाँ, it's a
Please,
duet
yeah.
with Yasir. Yasir was a wonderful Yasir Desai, of course. Everybody
अरे वाह,
might know him.
बिल्कुल.
So it was a duet. So I'll just try singing that.
Please.
इश्क तुम मेरे हो आशिकी भी हर दुआ में मांगा बस तुझे ही.
क्या
इश्क तुम मेरे हो आशिकी भी हर दुआ में मांगा बस तुझे ही. होने देना जो होश खो जाए, होने देना जो माही हो जाए. दिल को तुझसे बस तुझसे राबता है, तू ही मेरे जीने की वजह है. दिल को तुझसे बस तुझसे राबता है, तू ही मेरे जीने की वजह है.
क्या बात है, बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा, बहुत ही ज्यादा. तो ये आपका ओरिजिनल है, कंपोज आपने किया है?
nahi, composed by Jasmeer Singh Wadhwa, who's a
वाह,
friend, and sung by
congrats
me
to him
and
यार,
Yasir.
बहुत ही अच्छा, क्या बात है यार, बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छी कंपोजिशन एंड लिरिक्स एंड एवरीथिंग, जस्ट बहुत कम ऐसे गाने मिलते हैं, आई डेफिनेटली लिसन टू इट अभी, जस्ट ये खत्म होने के
Thank
बाद,
you.
आई एम श्योर।
And I'll
ओके,
listen to
सो
yours. Please send me the link. Please forward the link to me.
बिल्कुल, श्योर श्योर, एक छोटा सा मैं भी पार्ट गा देता हूँ, इट्स परफॉर्मिंग वाला पार्ट, तो
मुझे
फिर
प्लीज,
वील
मैं
गेट इट
आपको
डन।
अभी बोलने वाली
या,
थी कि प्लीज आई वांट टू
ओके,
लिसन टू योर ओरिजिनल वंस
ओके,
अगेन, हो जाए फिर।
मैं ओरिजिनल तो सुनाऊंगा, अभी गणेश चतुर्थी चल रही है, सो सूर निरागा,
Oh,
सो एक की मैं कुछ लाइंस आज, अभी बहुत मन था
आप,
मेरा गाने का, तो
I
आई गा
can
इट,
that
ओके।
too.
या, आई लव
Yeah,
दैट
yeah.
सॉन्ग, आई लव दैट सॉन्ग, SEL रॉक्स, या, बिल्कुल, तो चलो
Oh yes, totally.
तानपुरा लगाते हैं। कैन यू हियर द तानपुरा?
Yes, I can.
ओके, लिरिक्स पढ़ने चश्मा लगा लेते हैं। ओके, हम्म। सूरनिरागसहो
Uh-huh.
गणपति सूरनिरागसहो सूरनिरागसहो गणपति सूरनिरागसहो शुभ नयना करुणामयी गौरी हरश्री वरद विनायक ओंकार गणपति ओंकार गणपति अधिपति सुखपति छंदपति गंधपति लीन निरंतर हो
क्या बात है, वाह वाह वाह।
लीन निरंतर हो सूरनिरागस हो सूरनिरागस हो
क्या बात है।
गणपति सूरनिरागस हो। So just
I love this song and you sung it so well.
thank you so much man।
Lovely
ये
Aditya.
गाना मुझे बहुत ही ज्यादा पसंद है यार।
मैंने ये गाना 3 साल पहले रिकॉर्ड करके डाला था।
अच्छा, ये
Right.
आपने मूवी देखी है क्या ये
मैंने
कटियार काजा
आधी
दूसरी?
देखी है मैंने।
या
मैंने पूरी,
प्लीज कंप्लीट इट यार, बहुत अच्छी मूवी है क्योंकि इसलिए या
हाँ मैं I couldn't do that। मैं अब पक्का देखूंगी। मैं बैठी थी देखने के लिए,
या
आधी देख पाई बस मैं।
ओके ओके।
I love
तो
that
चलिए
song।
परफॉर्मिंग, या बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए।
वो घई छंद मकरंद।
अरे प्लीज 2 लाइंस अब बोल दिया तो अब करना ही पड़ेगा।
नहीं मेरे को
गई ना?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं आता है, बट मैं I love that song।
ओके।
हाँ, if you can sing it, please sing it।
घे छंद मकरंद घे छंद, ये काफी नीचे हो रहा है
हाँ हाँ
प्रिया
हाँ।
मिलिंद मकरंद प्रिया मिलिंद परिसोडिना ना 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 गे।
आहा, आया।
या अभी इतना ही है, मुझे याद नहीं है एक्चुअली। या
Yeah, it's
ओके,
a wonderful song. Wonderful movie with
या
wonderful songs. I think all of
या
them
इट्स
incredibly good.
ये शंकर एहसान लॉय जो आ जाते हैं जहाँ पे भी, और इवन राहुल देशपांडे एंड महेश काड़े जी जिन लोग ने ये गाया है, लेजेंडरी।
I
ओके,
agree with
सो हम अब परफॉर्मिंग वाला पार्ट खत्म है। एक अब एंड में लोग रैपिड फायर बोलते हैं, आई विल नॉट कॉल इट रैपिड फायर क्योंकि ज्यादा कुछ मेन स्ट्रीम है। ओके कूल। सो ये पूरा टेक्निकल होगा। ओके
Okay, okay.
ओके, सो द पेयर ऑफ हेडफोन्स यू यूज?
Bear Dynamic 770 Pro.
ओ DT 770 Pro। Love them. Legendary, legendary, legendary. Okay, the microphone of your choice.
AKG C414, legendary.
Yeah, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल 100%
I
AKG.
love this microphone. I can
And okay, interface. Yeah, बोलिए बोलिए. Mic.
not this microphone with anything else. At least 10,
Okay,
at least for 10 years.
okay, okay, cool. Okay, cool, cool. I'll definitely check that out. अभी मैं Rode use कर रहा हूँ, so वो
I
standard ही है. Right.
but you must go for this one C414 and ribbons.
Yeah, yeah.
Royer ribbons are very very beautiful, beautiful
Okay,
sounding.
cool. Wow, definitely. I'll check them out. Yeah. Okay. Your favorite interface?
UAD Apollo twin.
And in some budget? वो आप एकदम मतलब 1 लाख का हो. Like 20,000 तक. What do you recommend?
I think Focusrite is a very good interface for the people who are starting.
Focusrite, right.
मतलब
Okay, cool. I
make
use
a-
Audient. Yeah.
I have Steinberg,
Okay.
but I recommend Focusrite. It's a very very good
Okay.
interface.
Okay, cool, cool. सागर सर इज हियर. नमस्कार. मैं अभी उनसे एक्चुअली स्कोरिंग सीख रहा हूँ. सागर धोते जो है ना सर जी.
Sagar.
तो राइट राइट राइट.
Hi,
And
Sagar.
your DAW of your choice? Logic, right?
I'm working on Logic right now, but I've
Okay.
I tried shifting to Studio One. It's somewhat like
Okay.
Logic.
Yeah, it's
does the
like
job.
Logic. Yeah, yeah.
I-
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think
I'm
DAW.
Ableton for anybody who's interested. Yeah, cool. I love the workflow of Ableton. Right. Your favorite synth? अभी जो आपके पास है या आप चाहोगे कि कभी हो आपके पास?
Analog synths में I want to go for a Moog synth.
अरे
I don't have an
everybody
analog,
wants a Moog. Yeah, yeah. Cool. Right.
but okay, digital synth. I swear by Serum. Serum is my go-to plugin for.
Legendary.
I
Everything.
can
Serum
make
तो इतना
as many
powerful है.
sounds as I can, as I want to, on Serum. Serum is Serum.
Serum. Okay, so anybody who's interested in sound design or who is pursuing sound design, make sure you check out Serum. It's really
Please
powerful.
do, please.
Okay. And your favorite sampler?
I'm not using any samplers. I think
Battery
Logic
or
kind of-
contact or something?
Contact I use
Oh,
a lot.
EX24, right?
But EX24 Logic.
24, right. Right.
Contact libraries I use a lot. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I love
Sampler as
contact
in,
as well. Yeah.
I don't use वो sample डाल के and produce करने वाला. तो
Okay, cool.
I thought that one, but वो contact तो it's a regular this thing for me.
Normal, yeah, regular. वैसे बैटरी और ये सब भी काफी अच्छे हैं, तो
I
किसी
don't
को
use
चेकआउट
battery.
करना हो तो.
But yeah,
Okay, cool.
contact is very very good. I think
So
that's
what
a
do you
common
use to
thing.
program your drums?
Sorry.
To program your drums, what do you use? Or just normal audio waveforms? Like
No,
waves?
I produce using Studio Drummer. It's a contact library.
Okay.
So it's a very very good library. It has the वो overheads वाला भी उसमें है. Then you have a closed mic
Okay.
and far mic वाला भी उसमें option है. You can mix according to the taste, whatever.
Tune track का है ना शायद ये Studio Drummer, I think.
Studio Drum, I have no clue. I think वो Studio Drummer ही मैंने पढ़ा है अभी तक. I was
अच्छा,
using it. I
okay,
didn't
cool.
see the producer. Who's the producer?
Okay, cool. So okay, अब ये tech से थोड़ा non tech में आएंगे. Your favorite album of this decade और 20s मतलब 2010s में या 20s में कुछ भी आया तो.
Shit. Okay. It's a rapid fire. I can't think now. अच्छा.
No, it's not a rapid fire. Just think, yeah, बिल्कुल. But top of your head जो आप सुनते हो, कुछ एक तो हो गई कुछ ऐसे जो वापस घूम के हमेशा आते हैं उस एल्बम की तरफ.
Yeah. Okay. I'll have to check.
Like
See.
Veer Zara for me, right?
अच्छा. In that case, अच्छा 2020 का नहीं है वो. But
नहीं मैं 20s का पूरा पूछ रहा हूँ जो मतलब 2000s जो पूरा या पूरा.
वैसे तो बहुत सारे हैं. It's very difficult to tell you the favorite one. मतलब I listen to all genres, all
Right.
kinds of music. But
That's
there's
why
one
it's a tough
such,
question, na? वही.
yeah.
Right.
There's one album that I can't. मैं उसको रोज एक बार ही सुनती हूँ. It's the 50 Shades का album. The entire soundtrack and the songs.
Yeah, amazing.
The production,
Yeah, it's beautifully
the
done.
singing, of each and every singer in that movie, that
Okay.
soundtrack. Oh, incredibly good. Oof.
Wow.
I think
Okay.
every musician needs to listen to 50 Shades ke gaane because they're wonderful,
Yeah.
wonderfully created.
Yeah, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. I
And
absolutely agree with the
even
term.
Dirty Loops.
Okay, wow.
Oh,
Cool,
they
cool, cool. I
they are
definitely check that
crazy
out.
people. Listen
Okay,
to
cool,
Dirty
cool.
Loops, listen to Jacob Collier, and
अरे
listen to
भगवान
Bhagwan hai Bhagwan, and listen to
भगवान है वो तो.
and listen to 50
Right.
Shades. Oh my God, what
बिल्कुल,
music!
श्योर.
Amazing music.
आशीष कह रहा है कि मतलब 2000s कहते हैं उन्हें. हाँ, आई लिटिल मेस्ड अप. कूल. 20s मैंने कह दिए तो आपको लगा कि इस साल का होगा शायद, इसलिए. ओके, apologies for that. Okay, favorite movie of all time?
Tough question.
It is, yeah.
Okay. I watch more of Bollywood movies,
Okay,
so I'll say
okay.
Bajirao Mastani. I really
Wow,
like that
okay.
movie. And
Amazing.
अच्छा, online series में Money Heist. Money Heist.
Money Heist, okay. I've not seen both of those things. I don't know why. I've never seen Money
You
Heist or
haven't watched
Bajirao.
Money Heist yet?
No.
You
Is it?
must.
Should I watch it? Okay,
You
cool.
must. You must. You must.
Okay, definitely. ओके, सो यहीं पे खत्म होता है हमारा आज का लाइफ, आई थिंक. और प्लीज जाते जाते आप कुछ दो अच्छी चीजें बोल दीजिए या गा दीजिए, कुछ भी, तो इट विल कंक्लूड इट ब्यूटिफुली.
अच्छा, मैं बोल देती हूँ कुछ
ओके.
कि अच्छा, I really want to tell the young aspiring musicians and even the people who are just singers or just musicians, please buy a
राइट.
basic setup for yourself so that you can record from home. Even if somebody tells you कि एक गाना है and आपको अभी रिकॉर्ड करके भेजना है, so you must have something घर पे जिसकी हेल्प से you can record it and send it back to the composer, director,
Absolutely.
whatever. It can make a great difference क्योंकि अभी everything is going digital and everything is happening digitally. Even concerts are happening digitally, so
ओके, cool.
do whatever you can digitally
एब्सोल्युटली, या
and हाँ,
बिल्कुल
equip
सेम चीज.
yourself.
बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि अभी खासकर जब कोई आपसे जैसे पूछे कोलैबोरेट करने के लिए, तो ऐसा ना हो कि तुम्हें किसी स्टूडियो जाना पड़ रहा है, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पैसे खर्च करने पड़ रहे हैं. बिकॉज बहुत नॉर्मल चीजों में भी आप एक अच्छी चीज, अच्छा रिकॉर्ड बना सकते हो आजकल के
Right. And
उसमें.
a lot
ओके,
of studios are
सब बोल रहे हैं
also
कि
not operational.
राइट,
So
एग्जैक्टली राइट.
हाँ, so
सब
you
बोल रहे हैं कि
create your
जाते
own.
जाते कुछ गा के जाइए. यू बोथ शुड सिंग. ओके. क्या बोथ, क्या, आई थिंक वो काफी लैग आता है इसलिए मुश्किल होता है.
हाँ, lag तो
ओके,
आता है.
जानबूझकर कह रहे हैं.
You
एक
sing
दो लाइंस
जानबूझकर
में
please.
जानबूझकर सुनो. ओके, सो
Please हाँ.
द थिंग इज कि मेरा अभी जस्ट ट्यून कर रहा था मैं, एंड माय 6 स्ट्रिंग ब्रोक. सो
Oh,
मैं 5 स्ट्रिंग्स में ही बजाऊंगा इसको.
oh, you're a
ओके,
star. You can do it.
या ओके. नो, आई एम नॉट अ स्टार. ओके, कूल. अभी नहीं. या ओके, जानबूझकर. ओके, सबको पता ही है, सबने सुना ही है, तो अब एक्सप्लेन नहीं करता, बस सुना देता हूँ. आंखें जानबूझकर बंद कर लेता हूँ आजकल. चादर सर के ऊपर ज्यादा ओढ़ता हूँ आजकल, क्योंकि बाहर तो अंधेरा है. माने क्यों सभी का सवेरा है, जाने क्यों वो फिर चले आए. और ये चादर फिसल जाए, और ये चादर फिसल जाए, ये चादर
Wow.
फिसल जाए. Yeah, right.
Hey,
Yeah.
full voice
बिल्कुल.
texture you have. I told you.
थैंक यू सो मच. बहुत अच्छा लगा माने आपसे बात करके. आई होप
Same here,
आप दोबारा
Aditya.
आएंगे इसी सीरीज पे, आफ्टर सम मोर एपिसोड्स, एंड और भी कुछ चीजें बातें करेंगे, और भी चीजें गाएंगे.
बिल्कुल,
एंड
जरूर, जरूर.
एब्सोल्युटली लव इट वाज अ प्लेजर टू टॉक टू यू एंड
It was a
लिसन यू सिंग.
pleasure for me to be here. Thank you for having me,
एंड
Aditya. It was
please
learn
everybody
music.
go follow her, because she's amazing and she really has a brilliant future ahead of her. Please.
Thank you so much. Thank you
And
for your prayers and blessings, your wishes. They mean a
nahi
lot
nahi
to me.
bilkul, I'm nothing,
And people who
I'm
don't
nothing. Yeah.
follow Aditya yet, please visit his profile. He's a wonderful singer, wonderful composer. I'm in love with your music, Aditya. God bless you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you very much
Thank you
for
so
having
much,
me.
Manya. It was lovely. Have a great day, have a great night, have a great week, have a great month, have a great year ahead.
Have a great life.
See you. Have a great life. Direct.
Yeah,
हाँ,
man.
बिल्कुल. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
Manya. Take
Aditya.
care.
It was
Enjoy.
lovely,
Bye.
lovely. Enjoy. Bye. Take
Bye.
care.
Bye. 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 सभी को नमस्कार. Take care.
Bye, everyone. Thank you.
Bye.